Hello friends, let's make bread omelette in a different style today. Cut some onion and chilies and add salt to it as per your taste. Now break the eggs and add to it. Give a fine beating to the mixture. Heat the pan and toast the bread in it until golden brown. Now dip the toasted bread in the egg. Put some oil in the frying pan and heat it. Then place the well-coated bread in the frying pan. Make sure to fry both sides of the eggs for 2 to 3 minutes. Garnish it with some sauce and then take a bite of the yummy breads.